Hi, I'm Steve with Craft Racing and More, and we are at the site of our campsite, and I am going to be replacing the roof on our shed. We have an 8x12 shed, and I am going to be putting a new shingle roof on it, and we're going to be doing a lot of time lapse and other things about it. So with that all out of the way, let's get into the teardown. So day one is complete. It was a little warm. It was a little warm, but day one is complete and got everything ripped off the roof. The whole roof has been removed. We're 100% removed, but I can't clean the roof off yet because I forgot to bring a broom and a leaf blower. So everything I forgot to bring, I needed to clean the roof off. So tomorrow I will get up there and clean it off, and we'll go from there. Till then.
There's a deer behind, walking through the property. Let's see if we can get it. Might be too much foliage over here. I can't really see it. Oh, there it is. It sees me. It's right there. Oops, can't go any further now. watching me through the woods. There's deer on the property. They just mosey around on Woodhaven, just cruising around. They're not really afraid of humans that much. He's moving a little bit. He's on high alert. It's hard to see him on the camera. I can see him perfectly fine. We're gonna kind of walk up a little slower. He's right there. I can only go to 10x zoom because my big zoom is cracked on my phone. Oh. He's gonna take off now because King is back. And there he goes.